Linking your bank account to Realtor Compro can streamline your transactions and enhance your experience on the platform. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Log into Realtor Compro. Access the Realtor Compro website and enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section in your profile. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the homepage. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter bank information. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Ensure that the information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save or Link Account button to finalize the process. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your bank account has been successfully linked. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to Realtor Compro. This will help facilitate smoother transactions and enhance your overall experience on the platform.